Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 7X and I'm gonna show you how to customize the glances menu on this device. First, let's open the glances menu. To do it, simply press the Up/Menu button. And here we have it. We can scroll through this menu, and basically glances menu allows you to view multiple widgets at the same time. As you can see, we have widgets like sunset, or like the weather, performance, training, last activity, heart rate, body energy, I believe, sleep data, pulse oximeter, and stuff like that. And we can customize this menu. To do it, scroll all the way down to the menu, and at the bottom you should have the edit icon. You can select it, and here we can do a couple of things. We can select the basically we can remove the icon or the widget, we can add a widget, and we can reorder the widgets on the list. To remove the widget, simply select the one you want to remove, then press the Start/Stop button or tap on it to select it, and here we have the pen icon, as you can see, and we can press the button or tap on the icon to remove it. To add new widget, scroll all the way down, select Add, and here we have the list of widgets we can add. Find the one you like and select it to add it, like that, and then press the back button to go back, or swipe right on the screen. And to move the widgets on the list, to reorder the list, select the widget you want to move, and now simply move it by swiping on the screen or pressing up and down button. And once you're done, press the button or tap on the check mark, like this. And here we have our customized glances menu. You can also press and hold the Up/Menu button in the glances menu to open this menu, and basically you can open the options for the widget you selected. So as if I selected notifications, I can open the notifications options right here, and I can customize some options. You can select reorder glance, so basically you can move it. You can select remove glance to remove it, like that, and you can select add glance to add more glances, as you can see. Like that. And that's how you customize the glances menu on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.